Acura TL 2008. I'm showing you guys how to take out the alternator from this car. Take out the two terminals from the batteries first. Cover here, and this wire right here for the alternator. What you gotta do is take this reservoir right here for power steering out. Get your little space, squeeze through here. Easiest way to do it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. The easiest way. Put it through here. Squeeze it in here. Gosh, I wish somebody would hold this for me. Okay, now. Excuse for the moving and all, but so you do it. Work your way in. That's it. You don't have to take anything out. This is the easiest way to do it, to change the alternator on this 08 Acura. That's it. So you mount it. There's a bolt right here. Put one bolt right there. And this bolt, this bracket, screw on right here. And put on your terminals and everything. Put cover on and you're done. Thank you very much.